In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new event type in Calendly. To get started, log into your Calendly account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, where you can manage your scheduling setup and create different booking options for people who want to meet with you. From there, click Scheduling in the left-hand menu. This is where all of your existing event types live, and it's also the place where you'll create a brand new one. After the page loads, click the Create button. This opens the setup process for a new event type. Next, choose the kind of event you want to create. Calendly gives you several common options, including one-on-one, group, round robin, and collective. The right choice depends on how you want meetings to be booked, so take a second to pick the format that best fits your needs. After that, enter a name for your event. Make the title clear and specific so invitees immediately understand what they're booking. A simple, descriptive event name can make your scheduling page much easier to navigate. Now, choose the event location. Depending on how you meet with people, you can select options such as Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, a phone call, or an in-person meeting. Be sure to choose the location type that matches how the event will actually take place. Once that's set, define the event duration. This controls how long each appointment will last, so select a time that makes sense for the purpose of the meeting. Next, configure the availability schedule for the event. This is an important part of the setup because it determines when people can book time with you. Make sure the availability reflects the days and times you truly want this event to be open. If you'd like, add an event description. This can help provide context for invitees by explaining what the meeting is for or what they should expect before joining. After that, configure the invitee form and booking questions. This allows you to collect the information you need ahead of time, which can help meetings run more smoothly and reduce back and forth later. Before finishing, review the event settings carefully. This is your chance to confirm that the event type, location, duration, schedule, description, and booking questions all look correct. When everything is ready, click Create or Save and Close. Then go back to your scheduling page and verify that the new event type appears in the list. If you need to send it to someone right away, click Share to copy the booking link. Thanks for watching.